Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Nilofer Ramji. Among the science on its way to the space station, we are looking at water recovery in microgravity and a new approach to treating respiratory distress syndrome. And this week, NASA gets a big plus.
Ignition, liftoff.
The 29 SpaceX commercial resupply mission is on its way to the space station. The Dragon cargo spacecraft launched on Thursday, November 9th, carrying science experiments, food, crew supplies, and hardware to the orbiting lab. The commercial cargo craft is planned to dock to the Harmony module's forward port on Saturday, November 11th. As they say aboard the space station, yesterday's coffee is tomorrow's coffee. One of the newest additions to the orbiting lab, the Aqua Membrane 3 investigation, aims to examine water recycling in microgravity. Recycling and recovery of water is a key element of human space exploration, and the validation of Aqua Membrane 3 investigation could open up markets for applying the system for future space missions. Here on Earth, the investigation could prove to provide a tool to fight water scarcity in remote locations, especially where heat is abundant. Another investigation launching to station called Gaucho Lung studies how mucus linings of the respiratory system affect the delivery of drugs carried in a small amount of injected liquid known as a liquid plug. This form of treatment is essential in treating newborns with underdeveloped lungs experiencing respiratory distress syndrome. Newborns with respiratory distress syndrome are treated with a surfactant drug carried through the respiratory system in liquid plugs. Models developed to predict the efficiency of these treatments do not consider the role of the mucus lining, and this investigation could fill that gap and inform the development and optimization of targeted respiratory treatments. We launch more than just rockets. The universe is now at your fingertips with NASA Plus. NASA's new streaming service, NASA Plus, launched this week, which features ad-free, family-friendly programming, and the best part, it requires no subscription. The service launched on Wednesday, November 8th, with 3 original shows and hundreds of documentaries, videos, and greatest hits. As you subscribe and follow along, more original shows will be added in the coming weeks. Visit plus.nasa.gov to learn more. And that's Space to Ground for this week. In honor of those of you who have served our nation, happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.